Hi, this is Thomas with Cozy Grammar, speaking to you from my cozy writing yurt, where we are just finishing up a session of Ask Cozy Grammar. These are our monthly live Q&A calls that we hold for our students each month, which we also record and make available through our YouTube channel and our social media channels. I like to end every session with a poem. In this session, I'm going to end with a poem of my own from my book, The Safety of Edges. Just as Marie thought it was important to bring the teaching of grammar not only into the setting of home, but into the setting of the natural world, here's a poem about my own explorations as a child into the natural world around my own home. The poem is called Recess. The great mystery of our yard wasn't the green grass, but the earth in shadows below the back deck. At the edges grew ferns, but beneath the long planks there were only long grooves that were formed by rain falling. Even in summer we felt the damp dirt. We saw the brown planks overhead without looking. Light couldn't enter except in long lines, tracing the water that dripped in big drops, even when the water wasn't there.